Good morning, good morning, good morning, good morning, good morning, good morning. Is this lighting good? Alright, so let me just wind up this window a bit because it's being nice outside. Too much noise outside. Give me some more light. Alright, so today is a very interesting day. It's a very exciting day. Yeah, I got a surprise for you guys, right? So, me and a group of people go heading on the countryside, but the surprise is coming soon. What's up, guys? I'm currently at Stewart's Auto, you get me? And I'll be driving home with this Suzuki Jimny today. I'll be having it for the weekend. I'm going to Reggae Falls. After I go Reggae Falls and I go Portland, take on the whole St. Thomas stretch. You get me? It's going to be a epic journey, and you know the do. We'll be speaking with. How do you pronounce it again?
Demo card.
So
Do.
Oh, you're the right place then, man. Yeah. So we'll be speaking with Demo Cardo. He's a sales rep for Stewart's Auto. Right, so he's going to tell us more about the 2022 Suzuki Jimny.
So good morning. So here we have the 2022 Suzuki Jimny, perfect for any adventurous person who would like to go anywhere in Jamaica. It's equipped with a 1.5 liter petrol engine, very good on gas. It's also a 4-wheel drive, but you do have the option of driving to 2-wheel drive. It's also equipped with a Bluetooth radio, halogen headlights, 15-inch rims. A very sporty vehicle, and you do have options in terms of colors. You have a monotone, and this here we have a lovely two-tone color, which we have the beige here and the black rooftop.
Alright, so with the all the way yellows, try to peep out on this one. But yo, the face thing when the pants right now, does I recognize my face only, dog.
USB sign.
You want to plug it in there?
Why am I listening to it? I want you to listen to it.
Alright, so the all the way yellows is me. So we almost reached Portland. Well, when I almost reached Portland, it's a good little drive. Got some nice shots. You see me, so I'm tired already. But the car drives sweet though.
You didn't do shit.
The car drives sweet though. Man, like this 2022 Suzuki Jimny drive sweet.
You did it off your work, fam.
Eh? What is it?
Yeah, no work, brother.
Half hour work.
I'm ugly, you did, I'm ugly, brother, that's all.
But when we think there for? Alright, let's go. So we're coming from that side, right? We're coming from that side. Welcome to St. Thomas, which is way back that side. And this is the welcome to St. Thomas sign. But we are currently in Portland. You're in Portland. You're in St. Thomas.
Right.
Let me do a quick picture right here. Are they too close to the sign?
Actually wanted to be here.
You want the regular one day where everybody do?
Oh, I don't know. Hold on.
Yeah, the far though. So we're all the way in Portland. Yo, I'm shooting at f4.5 right now. The way the so not many that darker ND. Yeah, but the place is so hot. I'm almost reached Boston Beach, and I can't wait to get some more content with the Suzuki Jimny. So we got Chrissy right here. Watch a movie star. Where the man hide? Where you hiding for, bro? Movie star.
Oh yeah, the one for Deku. You know.
Movie star.
Deku.
We have Aaron right here. We have the Jimny over there. We have Mario right here. Welcome to the vlog, bro.
Welcome. I feel welcome.
So question, what do you think about the Jimny so far?
Bro, I think it's really dope. The all grip feature, crazy. Crazy. I look behind you, I see your rear tires spinning up. I'm just like, yeah, I can't keep up. I can't keep up. Check this out.
On content. Ooh, nice. That's nice. You know, so you can just add lights in a Photoshop. Man, I catch the Jimny.
You don't know.
Yeah. Jimmy here almost getting it. So I'm legit at this place. All the way in Boston. Well, Boston Beach is like right next door. So I got all the way down here, so wow.
There, boy, pleasure. There, we're there. You see me? It was a long journey, but guess what? We made it. The view is nice, fam. The view is nice. Worth it. Ask me if I do it again. Maybe. Maybe.
I'm outside. It's another day. Well, today is actually let me just give you a little bit more light. So today is actually Monday. Yes, I got this car on Friday. God, I'm so tired, yo. I'm so tired. And I must say I love how this Jimny feels. Take on the road proper, man. So right now, I'm sure it's probably I could like I'm gonna go outside. Alright, so right now I'm there. You know, one keen feel. You see me? You know, one keen feel. But I don't really know from this still, but I just know something on keen feel. Oh. And it's basically empty, like really empty. The Jimny take on the road. Yeah, we can take on the road, man. Take on the road, take on the road, take on the road. So this is what it looks like. So I came to the cane field this morning so I can get some nice clips of it. So look at it right there, very nice. And yo, we take on the road, and not only that, it feels so good. I can put it in the 4x4 or just control 2 wheels only, and yo, it's good. I have quite enough space because I'm a solo traveler most of the time, you see me? So I have quite enough space right here. So you want to bring somebody, and yeah, you can see the suitcase around the back. Yeah, suitcase around the back. And if you want more space, I can simply pull this down and drop it. You get me? Yeah. Not only that, sometimes when I'm up on the go, I always want something to drink more. Like, if I know that I have somewhere to put cups. Yeah, so I put my car key here and something to like freshen up the car. Yeah, me. So I have my 2-cup holder, but let me put my car key here. And yes, this, my boy. Don't know I'm ready for go off road. Don't know how the thing go, you see me? But the interior is very nice. It feels very cozy. Very nice, I must say. You get me? Very nice. Real rugged look. And like when I slam the door, I have to like slam it. Cause even when I give it a little baby, oh, too bright. So when I close in the door, I have to actually close it. Oh, that not lucky, no? Can't get a baby lock. Yeah, very nice car. very nice car. Glad I got it. So I want to say thank you, Stuart Auto, Suzuki Jamaica, for the opportunity to drive this wonderful, this amazing 2022 Suzuki Jimny. Feels super nice when I'm on the road. The power that I get from this, from a very compact vehicle, I love it. And I'll see you guys in another video. I don't know what I'll be doing here, I don't know where I'll be going, but take on the road and now.